Continental Door. We're downtown Spokane at the P.F. Chang's project, and maybe for those of you that haven't noticed, about 4 years ago, P.F. Chang's got an upgrade to their outdoor patio. We worked with Baker Construction and upfitted their outdoor patio with these beautiful crown bifold doors manufactured in Minneapolis, and it was a fantastic project that opened up their space and allowed also security at night. And we're very happy that P.F. Chang's hired Baker Construction, which then hired Continental Door.
I'm Paul Carlson. I'm the operating partner of P.F. Chang's in downtown Spokane. A couple years ago, we had some doors put in on our patio, and the reason being is now we can use the patio all year round. The doors are really dependable. We get a lot of great compliments on them, and they've done nothing but great success for us. We can use them all year round, no matter what the weather is outside, and I highly recommend them.